Hello, my name is Archie and I'll be reading a book called A Dog with Nice Ears by Lauren Child, featuring Charlie and Lola.
Yeah.
I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny. At the moment, all Lola can talk about is dogs. She says she would like one more than anything you could ever think of, more than a squirrel or actual fox. She says, sometimes my sister pretends to be a dog. Sometimes she pretends I am a dog. And sometimes she pretends we have a dog. Mostly we both talk about what sort of dog she would choose if mom and dad didn't always say, absolutely no dogs! Lola says, it's not fair, Charlie's when Mauve has a dog that says, lucky Mauve. Mom says, how about rabbit, Lola? I say a rabbit is not the same as a dog. Lola says, it's not even the same as a squirrel. Dad says, he can take Lola to the pet shop one Saturday and she can choose whichever rabbit she wants. Lola says, okay. I say, but Lola, you don't want a rabbit. And Lola says, don't worry, I would choose a dog. I would get a brown dog because my friend Mauve has a brown dog and they're the best kind of dog. Lola thinks so too. She wants to call it Snow Puff. But I say, that's not a good name for a brown dog. Lola says, but Snow is nice and I like Rolled Puff. This is not a good reason to call a brown dog Snow Puff.
Show me the pictures.
Lola says it must have nice ears because ears are important. You hold your glasses on with your ears. I say, but Lola, a dog wouldn't need glasses. How do you know? She says. I say, have you ever seen a dog wearing glasses? She says, no, but they probably only wear them for reading. What about its tail? I say tails are important for dogs. They use their tails to tell you how they are feeling. Lola says, if I had a tail, I would have a bushish tail, like a fox. Bushish tail, like a fox. But my friend Lotta would most probably have a featherish tail, like a bird. I say, Lola, we're talking about a tail for a dog. Lola says, well, then a raggy one, of course. I say, that is the only sensible thing you have said so far. Lola says, yes, it must be very raggy and 5 rules long. I say, no dog has a tail long as 5 rulos. Lola says, then how about a puffy tail? I say, would dogs have a tail like that? Lotta says the extremely foolish dog has a puffy tail. Lola says, oh yes, it must have extremely foolish form. Fuller than poodle, says Lotta. Yes, not like a poodle, says Lola. More like a Pekingese.
Pekingese.
Pekingese, I say. Like a cat, says Lola. I say, I hope you don't want a dog that meows. Bulk. Lola says, of course our dog must not be a meow. It must actually do barking. Good, I say. Barking is the best for a dog. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Yes, says Lola. It must be very It must be very, very quiet barking, so it does not wake us up. But barking is meant to wake us up, I say. Well, says our dog can wake us up with sniffing. Mom says dogs do like to sniff, so it should have a wiggly nose, says Lola. I say, do dogs have wiggly noses? Only if they have an itch this small. Oh, I don't want an itchy dog, I say. Mom says the only itch if they catch these. My dog must not catch flies, says Lola.
Please.
He must not catch fleas, says Lola. He must catch sticks. Mom says it can be any color you want and have any ears you like, but whatever dog you get, it must be a dog with short legs. Dogs with short legs do this walking. Mom says, why don't we get a dog with 3 legs, like Mrs. Hans's one? He only hops. It might be tricky to find a dog with less than 4 legs, I say, but a hopping dog would be nice, says Lola. You are going to have the weirdest dog, says Mauve. On Saturday, Lola gets up early. Well, are you going? I say. I'm going to the pet shop, she says. To get a rabbit, I ask. No, she says. I told you. I'm going to fetch my dog. When Lola comes home, she's carrying a big box. I can't hear any barking, I say. No, this dog is more a sniffle, says Lola. It sounds like it's hopping, I say. Exactly, says Lola. I won't even have to train it. I peek inside. That's not a brown dog, I say. Its eyes swaying more gray, says Lola. They do not have any brown ones with nice ears, I say. Lola, that dog looks like a rabbit. I know, says Lola. It's because of the wiggly nose.
Show the picture. Show the pictures.
It may be a puffy too, I say. What should we call him, she says. I say, how about Snowpuff? Yes, Snowpuff is a good name for a dog with nice ears.
Show the picture. Okay.
Thank you for reading the book with me. The end.